There I was, teaching away. Students were engaged when it happened. Oh, you know. And when it came, it changed things. It changed everything. What was I going to do now? I was teaching in school, online, underwater, hybrid. I needed to choose resources I could use seamlessly under all conditions. But my resources were everywhere. On hard drives, multiple computers, filing cabinets, folders. I need one place where I could have all the resources I need on one platform that I could either teach from by sharing my screen, or I could easily drag and drop resources onto an online teaching platform. Then I started to use the Rock Your French class platform. Having the French bundle and the complete DJ Delph kit online and done for me is gold. Check this out. Hundreds of videos and songs, unlimited authentic activities, units, and more, all organized and done for me from A to Z. The Rock Your Class Themes and Culture course has everything I need from ABCs to full units on mental health. And the culture components have me covered from the Quebec Carnival to Christmas and Halloween. Just look at all these ready-made resources on all these topics. And enough croissant-crushing culture to fill the Louvre. And the supports like this section on working with PDFs gives me over 25 ideas on how to use PDFs with my students. Having all the French missions means at a moment's notice, I can send my students off on a French amazing race with individual, partner, or whole group challenges. Even online. And all of these come with the assessment and evaluation support I could ever need. I was so worried about my students falling behind on the basics and losing their foundation of grammar, but the Rock Your French grammar course is filled with engaging videos, songs, and activities that teach grammar in context and challenge my students with endless projects and tasks to strengthen their French reading, listening, writing, and speaking skills. I just click the download button, drag and drop onto my online teaching platform, or teach right here, screen sharing right from this platform. A super part of this platform is the team teaching support. I can go to any of the open comments sections to ask any question I may have, or find great shares from other teachers that have added their own ideas, links, and twists to these resources. But my favorite go-to has been the complete online DJ Delph kit. Every single part of the DJ Delph kit and every aspect, all the new videos and more, they're all here. Check out this one for Je me présente, for example. Everything is laid out step by step for me, from the 1, 2, 3 easy steps for starting a life aspect to easy to download songs, instrumental versions, the brand new videos and the karaoke versions, and all the activities that my students will follow as scaffolded steps leading to the sweet skits with interchangeable vocabulary. And all the animated videos are there, so my students can experience real-life conversations in real-life aspects and then practice, first talking to the female francophone and then talking to the male francophone before launching out on their own blank bubble versions. But it doesn't even stop there. I can even have them continue as far down the road to proficiency as I want to, or stop and pick up where we left off next school year. The extras are wicked. Check out the Je me présente breakout challenge, or these Kahoots. Plus the booster packs and the grammar support for each one of these life aspects. And look, all the grids, rubrics, assessments, curriculum ties, they're all done for me, including all the learning goals and success criteria. And if that wasn't enough, it includes over 300 French bell work and conversation starter videos, the entire DJ Delph dailies with all the student tools I need to work with, and check out these super grids with curriculum expectations built in. We concentrate on a new one each week. Easy evaluation, easy marking. Meanwhile, my students are listening, reading, writing, and speaking French with me every day. And if that wasn't enough, this is a living platform. Resources are added weekly, and I get them all because I'm enrolled in the Rock Your French class drag and drop courses. The live events, getting hundreds of French students together from across the world. My students love representing their school and country in the live Kahoots. This is like having the keys to the entire TPT website forever. And the cost, well, I have friends who spend hundreds of dollars on resources each year. I can get hundreds of resources instantly for as low as $5 here. Check it out for yourself. Go to rockyourclass.com/resources. I gotta go and see what French missions I'm assigning next week. Gotta keep my students challenged.